of the Buhari Act of Good Daily Sit-out. As you are aware, the reasons for our gathering here daily is to demand answers for all these cases of corruption before us on this panel. Again, like you highlighted Barry, you highlighted the SGF issue, you highlighted the IG issue, you highlighted the NAS issue, and other cases of corruption, even in the CCT and other sectors of the country. But interestingly, as you may know, yesterday, President Buhari listened to our several entreaties asking that the president takes action on the SGF report. Well, after more than 3 months on the table of President Muhammadu Buhari, he has finally decided to sack the SGF, the former SGF, Babache Lawal. He has also sacked Ayodele Oke, who was the Director General of the National Intelligence Agency. Well, the Mumu-Don-Do coalition wish to commend President Muhammadu Buhari for at least doing this, for listening to us, for listening to our cries, and for not letting our daily gathering here go in vain. However, we'd like to point out and state emphatically that merely sacking Babache Lawal and Ayodele Oke is not enough, President Muhammadu Buhari. What the Mumu-Don-Do group, and indeed the Nigerian people, are asking is that these people are duly prosecuted. 270 million naira, Mr. President, is no joke, especially when it belongs to people who are suffering in different IDP camps in the northeast. These people have been sent out of their homes. They have become homeless by the Boko Haram insurgency. The least you can do for them, Mr. President, is to give support to them when necessary and to ensure that justice is done on any case that has to do with, unfair treatment of these people. So, Mr. President, merely sacking Babache Lawal and Ayodele Oke is not enough for the Mumu-Don-Do group and for the Nigerian people. We want you to, as a matter of exigency, set up a panel to arrest, don't set up a panel, but arrest these people. Arrest Babache Lawal, arrest Ayodele Oke, and ensure that they are tried in court and also prosecuted if found guilty. Of course, sacking them again is not enough because the Nigerian people do not know, as of now, the contents of the SGF report. President Buhari, we deserve to know exactly what is in that report. That report is not meant for the presidency alone, but for all Nigerian people. We need to know if other people are indicted in the case involving SGF Babache Lawal and in the other case involving Ayodele Oke. These are our humble entreaties, Mr. Buhari, and we want you, as the #1 citizen of this country, who has been at the forefront of the campaign against corruption, to take actions on this issue. Again, President Buhari would like to point you to the fact that many Nigerians are now becoming more distrustful of your anti-corruption campaign. And again, it is not even us who are out of the government alone that are complaining. People in your cabinet, people in your kitchen cabinet are complaining. From your wife, Aisha Buhari, complaining of the Aso Rock Clinic and the massive looting going on there, to the Comptroller General of Customs, Amit Ali, who said recently that your government is derailing. President Buhari, as we have been saying, do not allow cabals the chance to take away the fight against corruption from you. Do not allow the cabals to run Nigeria when indeed it should be your priority. President Buhari, we also want to call you to the attention of the remark of the acting chairman of the EFCC, Ibrahim Magu, who has said that the fight against corruption is becoming tougher and tougher when you, Mr. President, is still in the country. To would have been a different case if you were out of the country or when you were in London receiving treatment. This time, you are in country as we have brought you back since August, and the fight against corruption seems to be getting worse by the day. Mr. Buhari, listen to people like Ahmed Ali and begin to set your government on the right path. Mr. Buhari, listen to people like Ibrahim Magu and begin to take action on these cases of corruption. Again, President Buhari, this morning, the acting chairman of the EFCC alerted Nigerians. In fact, he lamented that people are shielding me now from getting arrested and being prosecuted. Mr. Buhari, as you swiftly acted when Nigerians began to complain, and indeed, the Amumu don't do, alerted you to the fraudulent act of promoting Maina to become the director at the Ministry of Interior, and you ensured that it was sacked within 24 hours. We also wanted to ensure that Abdulrasheed Maina is arrested, Mr. President. We want you to make sure that Maina does not escape justice for the second time. We want you to give succor and justice to those people whose money Maina looted. We want you to remember those, some of whom are dead now, the pensioners who are dead right now because of Maina's loot. We also want you to remember those who today are living, but are living as if they are not living, because today they are living as frustrated and hopeless Nigerians. We want you to come to the rescue of the millions of Nigerians who are suffering, President Buhari. The fight against corruption cannot continue to be fought haphazardly. President Buhari, we want you to take action as the Amumu Dondu Group and other members of the coalition are demanding. We want you to ensure that the case of Baru is not swept under the carpet. As you are aware, President Buhari, every day in Nigeria we are discovering new cases of corruption. And we do not want these cases to be as that of Andrew Yakubu, that today we do not even know what exactly what verdict was given on that particular issue. President Buhari, we want you to act on Baru before it is too late. We want you to act on the SGF before it is too late. We want you to act on the IGP of police 120 billion naira before it is too late. Abba Kyari, President Buhari, 500 million naira. He is the chief of staff to your cabinet and to your presidency. Do not let this man escape justice. Do not let him go away with this kind of fraud. President Buhari, too many Nigerians are suffering for you to overlook cases of corruption or allegations of corruption being constantly raised in your government. Do not let it be that the theory of using insecticide and deodorant as postulated by Shehu Sani will be what will gain the ground in your government. President Buhari, we do not want you to continue to abate corruption by silently overlooking the wrongdoings of the people around you. Because by doing so, you will be canonizing the past administration, and that will be bad for our democracy. President Buhari, once again, the Amumu Dondu Group wishes to remind you that what you did on Babachalawa must be done.